Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can prepare this crunchy okra or crunchy and crispy bhindi fry without using any oil, and still you will get this crunch you can see here. So without any further ado, let's start the recipe. To prepare this, here I have taken 250 grams of okra or bhindi. I have already washed and completely dried using the towel. So make sure you have completely dried. Now take one of the okra piece or the bhindi, cut top and the bottom part. Now further slice it into the slices as I am showing you here. I have cut it into 4 slices. Now remove the inner seeds as you have seen here and the white part using the knife, or you can remove it with the help of your hand. If you are not removing it, the bhindi or the okra became slightly soggy, so make sure to get the crispiness you have to remove the seeds and the white part. After removing it, this is how it looks like. Now cut it into 2 halves as I am doing here. This is how the pieces are ready. Similar way I am going to show you one more time. Cut the bottom and the top part from the okra, and now further cut it into smaller pieces. The more smaller and thin pieces, the more crispy and crunchy the okra became. Similar way I am going to cut rest of the okras or the bhindi, and then I will show you. Here I have cut all the okra into the smaller slices as you have seen here, and I have removed the seeds also, so you have to cut it. Now take a separate bowl, transfer the okra pieces into the bowl, then add 2 tablespoons of gram flour or besan, then add 1 tablespoon of rice flour. If you don't have rice flour, just add the corn flour, and then add 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder or according to your taste, dry mango powder 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon of carom seeds or ajwain, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt or according to your taste. Now give it a quick mix. Make sure all the okra covered with the dry ingredients well. After that, set this aside. To prepare this recipe, I am going to use air fryer. First, we have to preheat the air fryer at 350 Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. After setting it, once it is done, then I will show you. Now, into the mixing bowl, add 1.5 teaspoon of oil. Give it a quick mix. Make sure all the ingredients mix and coated the okra pieces very well. Set this aside for a while. Preheating is done as you have seen here. Now remove the air fryer basket and lightly spray it, or you can just grease it with the oil, and now spread the even layer of okra that we have prepared. Make sure to spread it into the single layer to get the perfect result, and this is how it looks like into the single layer. Now insert the basket. Similar way I am going to remove the second basket because I have the air fryer that has 2 baskets. So similar way I have spread it into the single layer into the second basket. Now insert the basket into the air fryer. Now if you have the same air fryer, then you have to press the match cook function, otherwise you can totally skip that. Now set the air fryer at 350 Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. It's been 7 minutes. I have pressed the pause, and then you have to shake it a little bit. Make sure to do it carefully because at this time the basket is very hot. Now spread it again into the even layer. Similar way, remove the second basket and shake it a little bit to get the perfect crunchiness. And now insert the basket again and then press the start button. Once it is done, then I will show you. Now the 15 minutes is done. Remove the basket here. You will hear the crunch, and this is the second basket, too crunchy, and this is how it looks like when I have removed it from the air fryer. Now you can see I am going to transfer it into the serving plate, the second basket. And now I will show you the crunch of this. You will hear the sound, so crunchy and delicious. You can serve it as a side dish or you can serve it as a tea time snack. To prepare the best crunchy okra, you have to keep in mind three things. Wash and pat completely dry the okra and then only cut it into thin slices and remove the seeds from the okra pieces, and then you can fry it accordingly, and the time may vary depending upon the quantity and the air fryer you are using. It may take 10 minutes or up to 15 minutes. You will get the perfect crunchy taste if you follow the following step. And if you like this easy recipe of crunchy okra fry or bhindi fry without using any oil, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.